first stock that I bought after joining VI actually is BRKB. Cayden already highlighted, he kept highlighting so many times that, you know, look out for VRKB when the PB ratio is favorable to us. It's going to reach, look out for it. So true enough, eventually it went below 1.2. Oh, can I say that? I can say that? Can I say that? I don't know. Can I say that? Or is it something that I'm not supposed to? Berkshire Hathaway is Warren Buffett's company, and it basically serves as a holding company for all his other investments, be it into like most recently oil, right, in Occidental, and then you have Geico Insurance and whatever industry that he decides to go into. So BRKB is just that holding company for all his investments. Yeah. So one of the takeaways I've had from VIA that I would like to share would be how to make a well-rounded portfolio. Cayden has elaborated and emphasized on this many times, either during the course itself or during his gatherings thereafter. And in a portfolio, you should have about 1/4 of your money in cash. And in cash, you can still either have it, well, I mean, the bank interest rates are low, so you can always explore putting your cash in Singapore savings bonds. So that's one. Thereafter, another 30% of your cash perhaps into ETFs. And then your remaining 45% into stocks. This 45% there can be further split into higher growth stocks or medium growth or more stable growth companies. So it's really up to you to decide. But this is something which I took away from the course, and I think it's extremely important for everybody to have when you start your investing journey. To make sure that all your eggs are not in one basket. That's the primary importance. But then also at the same time, I think that the importance of having cash lying around, it's also so that, you know, if you see an opportunity, that's where you can jump into it, rather than putting whatever you have now in straight away into the stock market, and then you have nothing left to take advantage of any opportunities that come up. Yeah.
The one that's already inside the stock market, I put it all in one stock.
Whoa!
Just one stock.
What is the stock that has moved the heart of Stephen Lim before?
Okay, just between you and me, Singpost lah.
Singpost, really?
Yeah.
So I think one of the main reasons why people start investing would also be to beat inflation, and it's also one of the hot topics nowadays. And just yesterday, I was actually at a coffee shop and I saw the effects of inflation right in front of my eyes. So there was a poster which showed the coffee shop selling breakfast set, the toast, tea, coffee, eggs, and that kind of thing. I remember looking at the poster, and then on top of the original price, the owner had stuck a masking tape over and he wrote $3.30. That's now. So under the masking tape, I got a shock of my life. Under the masking tape, the price was actually $2.20. So the price actually went up by 50%. Over how long, I'm not too sure, but the poster did not look very old. The poster, to be honest, I touched my heart, looks at the most 5 years old. So it kind of really drove home the point that, hey, you know, inflation is onto you if you are not careful and if you don't try to do anything to beat inflation.
Oh shit, here we go again.
Alright, that's all from me. I'll see you all next week again in the same attire. And we'll be talking about 3 stocks that you can buy under $3. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and comment what the topics you'd like me to talk about, and we'll see if we can make it happen.